Hello Tech Explorers, want to update your Telegram nickname and give yourself a fresh identity? I got you. In just few taps, you will have a brand new name. Let's go. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the three lines at the top left corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Settings here. You will find your profile. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Next, tap on the Edit Name. Now, simply type in your new nickname. It can be anything you like. You can also add emojis to make it stand out. Once you are happy with it, tap the check mark or save button. And that's it. Your nickname is now updated. What's your go-to nickname style? Classic, funny, or aesthetic? Drop your answer in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.